it has been an eventful drive.
What? How bad?
I think those are women's.
Oh, well, where did I find them? Ah!
Do you want anything else? Do you want a cup full of coffee grounds? Did you like it? No. So you're gonna get Buc-ee sandals.
Maybe.
Hello, hello. So we are in Gatlinburg, almost, I guess. We are 30 minutes away from our hotel, and it has been an eventful drive. Let me show you Steve. Steve is driving right now. Say hi, Steve.
Hi.
So we pretty much drove all day today, and we got lunch at just a fast food restaurant, and really it's just been a drive all the way here because we wanted to get here. We have a couple different things that we want to do today. So it is about 6:30 Eastern time right now. We've been driving since what, 7 a.m. this morning Central Time. 6:45. And so we've had quite a bit of just driving, and we are finally here. So we've got a couple different things that we want to do. There's this like roller coaster, mountain coaster thing, and we also, Steve really likes the Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine.
I think that's what it's called.
Is that what it's called? Old Smoky Mountain Moonshine or whatever. But we're seeing a bunch of cool things around here as we're driving through the city, or like the town. So we'll probably grab some, pamphlets, see what the afternoon takes us. Essentially, we're here just for the night. So as much as we can jam pack in to the afternoon, that's what we're going to do. But I will show you the room and the hotel that we're staying at. We're just staying at a Marriott downtown. I was able to book it with points, so I'm excited. Live alligators. Anyway, getting distracted. So I'll share the room tour once we get there, and then I will take you along with our adventures. So stay tuned. And if I did not open the vlog, which I don't think I did, hello, hi, my name is Stephanie. I make a lot of videos, including travel content as well as Disney World content. And if you like it, stick around and we will have some fun this week. So let's get to it.
You know what we call that?
I did not taste the popcorn.
Popcorn, just the name of that guy.
Oh.
That guy.
Oh, the guy's name's Popcorn.
Yeah, that guy's
I was
name's
like,
Popcorn.
well, if I was supposed to taste popcorn, I didn't get it.
Popcorn Sutton.
It definitely tasted like bourbon then.
First name Popcorn, last name. Do you like? They taste like a fruit cup. You don't taste any alcohol.
Not really. You might have liked it.
Very bad. Now we got one more snack for you guys before we move on to the real drinking.
What are you making me do?
Do you like pickles?
I do not.
Do you want a pickle?
No, I'm gonna do
Those two are free. You're getting two of these.
Crunchy pickle.
Let's go home with our two-wheel drive. Come back to the redneck Gucci bag, all right?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, now next up for you guys, we got 128 proof Blue Flame. So this is just moonshine flavored moonshine. So don't sip it, don't sip it. Just shoot it back. It's kind of like tequila, but it's a little bit worse.
You probably get one for cheaper.
Yeah, you don't necessarily regret it.
Alright, this maybe tastes good for you. There was like, yeah.
Frozen pawns with strawberry.
Yeah, I had less bite. A lot of less bite.
That's much better.
The one that we just took, the one before that?
Yeah, is the one. Yes, I know. Yeah, yeah. That's why I was like,
Oh wow, look at
Better for me,
that.
in my opinion.
The cream.
Which one is this one again?
Some beach.
Some beach.
Some beach.
Alright.
Just a whittle.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Wow, look at that.
It looks like milk.
Okay, Mr. Man, tell us where we are.
Downtown Flavortown.
Hi friends, so it is the end of the night and we are back in the hotel, and before I closed out the vlog I wanted to show you and quickly show you the room. So it is nighttime, but we are staying in the Gatlinburg Courtyard by Marriott Suites. So it is just the one bedroom king-sized bed. So you've got a king-sized bed, a nice little couch. Let's pan down, don't mind our stuff. Nice little couch with a side table there. And then as you pan over, you have a little coffee breakfast station, as well as a microwave in this closet. You do have a desk with a connected dresser and a nice large TV, and then the bathroom, I'm gonna go inconvenience Steve is in there because he's hiding. Hello. Nice full-length mirror. Then you have a nice bathroom where you also have a nice mirror as well. It is only a single sink, but that's okay. And then you kind of go around and you have a nice big shower, and it looks like you get these North 39 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So it is a pretty nice setup in here for the one night that we are staying. So pretty nice. Before we close it out and say goodnight, I wanted to get on here and share. So let's do a what your favorite thing of the day was. So Steve, you want to start?
Oh, wow, is that the start? Favorite thing of the day, that's tough. I don't know. The Moonshine place was really fun. Ole Smoky Moonshine was fun.
Okay.
They have a good tasting.
Yeah, she was, we also had a very nice bartender. And you got, what, 8+? I think there was more than 8 shots that you were given. I only did, like, the small one, and then I kept telling her to, like, do poquito, like, little baby shots. So that's fun.
So that was fun. Downtown Flavortown is still, I don't know, it's just fun.
Yeah. I would say my favorite was Downtown Flavortown. I ended up getting a nice, like, grain bowl, I think, or power bowl, something like that, that tasted really good. The queso dip for the appetizer was good. And overall, I'm just hyped on really good vibes, and I'm excited for the rest of our trip. So that's my favorite.
Hey.
Okay, so we're gonna close it out here because we've got a bright and early morning tomorrow, and we are headed to Atlanta, Georgia. And I am very excited because we get to go see some whale sharks. So if this if this interests you and you had fun, like this vlog, please stick around, hit that subscribe button, and comment, like, do all the things. It really does help out my channel, get to more viewers like you. So thank you so much, and I will catch you tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Bye.
Bye.